Want to help me make this a happier and healthier world? Like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to work with me, go find me at ryanspence.biz. Hey, Ryan Spence here. And if you're on a budget or too tired and unmotivated to cook healthy meals, then today's video is just for you. Because I'm bringing you yet another quick, cost-efficient, and healthy high-protein meal. And today's recipe averages only $4 per serving. Now, before I get into the video, first I want to thank everybody for all the YouTube likes, comments, which help our channel grow. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe now and make sure you click on the notification bell because I'm bringing you new videos like this every Monday and bonus videos on Thursdays. So just like the last video, I'm bringing you yet another recipe with only 3 ingredients. It's healthy and it's inexpensive, which shows you that you can eat healthy without too much time or money on hand. Today's meal is my chicken and veggie couscous. This meal averages about $4 per serving for 500 calories and a whopping 40 grams of protein, which is a boatload of protein. So here you can see all the ingredients. There's just 3 different ingredients here, and I totaled these up to be about an average of $11. So jumping in, I chose the protein of ground chicken. Ground chicken is something that I have had trouble finding at some stores, but I just like this a little bit better than ground turkey. And I will mention I did get all these ingredients at Target, so I know you should be able to find those there. On the back side, you can find the nutrition facts, and as you can see here with the ground chicken, that it's kind of similar to the chicken thighs, and it has around 9 grams of fat, a little bit more fat than chicken breast, but that just means more flavor and goodness, and still a bunch of protein. So ground chicken's great if you just want to break it up from having chicken thighs or chicken breast or ground turkey or ground beef. So it's just kind of a nice different texture and flavor. The next ingredient we have here is Near East brand couscous. Now specifically I got a flavored version of this, but I actually highly recommend getting the regular couscous version. It's also phenomenal. But this couscous taste is just great, and it takes 5 to 10 minutes to cook, including your boiling water time. So just a great option if you're in a pinch for time. So the reason why I kind of recommend the regular couscous versus this flavored one is because the regular couscous doesn't have as many of these preservatives and additives in it like the iodized yeast. So if you can get the regular couscous, I highly recommend it if you want to keep your meals clean. It tastes phenomenal. The veggie I chose for this was actually organic green beans, which, you know, I love green beans, but I never really thought about cooking with them too much. So I thought I'd just try something a little different with green beans and then the ground chicken. Now in a pan, of course, cook your couscous. Again, it's only gonna take 5 to 10 minutes. Just boil some water, throw the couscous in there. Then around the same time, you can actually start your ground chicken. Just start cooking that in a pan. Cook it until it's browned. And I use air quotes because it's kind of a whitish brown, but yeah, so just cook that up, and then you know me, I'm a combiner. So then once I get the ground chicken cooked, I'll put in the green beans from a can. And again, you don't really have to cook those much. It's just a matter of heating those up with the ground chicken. And then finally, I'm gonna put the couscous mix it all, everybody in the pool together, and mix it all up, combine that, and there you go, you got your meal. And feel free to season how you like. Honestly, I think with the green beans and the ground chicken, there's an okay amount of sodium and flavor to that, but you're welcome to add some more to that. And that's the recipe. It's just that simple. So I want to know from you guys, let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite veggie to eat in a pinch? Mine's been green beans in the can, but I also have some others like spinach, leafy spinach that I'll mix up into a salad. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Stay healthy, and I love you.